Hello everyone, this is your Daily Dose of Internet. These cats all woke up at the same time because they felt an earthquake that was about to hit. There's nothing more fun than playing with your dog. Here's a dog that's afraid of the ocean. How would you like to eat at a restaurant like this? Don't you hate it when you're gaming and this happens to you? Don't forget to wash your hands thoroughly during these difficult times.
Nice.
Even he flipped up.
Yeah, he's going to flip.
This bald eagle was able to protect its eggs from a snowstorm that completely buried it. That's the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very soon. Later.